Restore your message after report and block from WhatsApp. Select a contact you want to report. Click more. Click more. Then select report. Report Umar. At the last 5 messages from this contact will be forwarded to WhatsApp. This contact will be not be notified. Now select report. Report sent. Umar is blocked and all this chat history is also deleted. Now first of all we have to unblock contact. Now go back and exit WhatsApp. Go to your settings and open App Manager. App Manager. Now browse for WhatsApp and select WhatsApp. Here we have to find storage option. Finding storage. Where is storage? Storage is on top. Select storage. Now clear data. Press this button. It will clear all the data. Select storage and tap on clear data. Click OK. Now your WhatsApp data is cleared. Exit WhatsApp. Now open your file manager. Here we have to find a WhatsApp folder. Select this WhatsApp folder. Now select database. Find for message store.db crypt14. We have to rename it. We have to write backup dash. Now save it. After saving this, exit this. Open your WhatsApp now. Click OK. Agree and continue. Now put your number here. After entering your number, click next. Now WhatsApp will send you a verification code on your phone, and enter your code which you have received from WhatsApp using SMS. After verification complete, select continue and allow. Looking for backups. Here you have to restore. Click next. Enter your name. Click next. My chat is restored, as you can see. Please subscribe. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.